कहते हैं अगर किसी
Okay, sir.
को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. आई वॉन्ट टू रिपीट, अगर किसी चीज को सच्चे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Okay, dear friends, why I'm telling you this dialogue in Hindi? This is
Yes.
the core message of the world famous book written by Paulo Coelho, The Alchemist. Okay, so you can
Okay.
see the book of the Paulo Coelho. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. We can see.
What is the core message of this? If you really want to achieve something in your life, the whole universe will help you to achieve your goal, dear friends. But there is one condition.
Yes, sir.
You have to start.
Absolutely.
You have to start achieve. Then the universe will help you. So, dear friends, you all know that I have also set my one goal in the near future. I want to perform on TEDx. And fortunately,
Yeah.
I got a great friend from Afghanistan who is a co-organizer
Yeah.
of TEDx. And with the help of his guidance, definitely I will achieve my goal in the near future. In the past, I want to tell you, in the 2008, dear friends, I got a job, but that time I could teach textbook. I could understand grammar and little bit vocabulary. But I joined one institute and she changed my
Okay,
life.
sir.
Okay, and this is our proud and privilege because my teacher is with us, and Meenal Shah. Today I would like to introduce my ma'am, and she is the driving force behind my success. The Meenal Shah, the director of Meenal Institute of English and Finishing Grooming School. So ma'am, I would like to request you, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, it's audible, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
It is audible.
Madam, please turn on your audio.
Yeah, it's not on.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
now it's on. Yes.
Is it audible?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's audible.
All right. All right.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Before I begin, a very good evening to everybody. And I'm super excited to meet all of you here on the Zoom platform. So that's, we are happy you have to do this or you have to do this. If you don't understand, you do this. We have reactions. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Prakash, am I audible, please? Am
Yes.
I audible?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Prakash?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. You are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. This is the classroom. Talk like, you know, like you participate equally. Okay. Before I talk something about myself and I introduce myself, let me make you understand. Should I talk in only English or is it the Hindi and English, both the language?
English.
No, ma'am. Kindly you use
Only English,
English
madam.
only.
Only
English.
because we have some
That's very
Continue
friends
English.
from South India, and they don't know English. Some are from Karnataka, Kerala. That's why.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
So English.
As
English.
well from Andhra Pradesh.
English. All right.
Yes,
English
ma'am.
only.
Yes, ma'am. Only English.
All right. All right. I would appreciate now you remain quiet for some time. Let me introduce myself. Okay, this is Meenal Shah, the director of Meenal's Institute of English and Grooming in Ahmedabad. And we have started our institute, say about in year 1990. So almost we have completed successfully 30 years. And it's my great privilege to introduce myself that I have also worked with lakhs and lakhs of students, professionals, trade organizations, and many business people in almost all walks of life. So the Best Institute Award of All India, I have got it. And I have also worked with late APJ Abdul Kalam, the ex-president of India also. If you like, you have to say
Yeah,
this.
great, great.
Yeah, we like. Great.
Okay. My introduction with Prakash Kalai sir is I run the academy, the institute in Ahmedabad since 1990, where your Prakash sir, who came to my institute to learn English, where I found him very dynamic and hardworking student. I tell you one example his example of his hard work is his wife was pregnant when he joined my institute, and she was about to deliver a baby, and the course was not completed. So he asked for the permission that, ma'am, can I go to my hometown because my wife is going to have a baby? I said, no, the task is not completed yet. Your goal is to go ahead in the life and you are not still good or I will not certify you. So he is the obedient student, very hardworking student. He did not go to his hometown, though the wife was pregnant. Is it?
Yes.
Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes.
Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So we appreciate, we give a big hand to Prakash sir's hard work and his dedication. He is my proud student for whom I proud a lot. And I thank you very much that he has given me the opportunity to meet all of you here. This classroom is beautiful because you are there. You all are here. The reason the classroom is beautiful. So we give a big hand to Prakash sir first before we go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Why some are not clapping? Why some are not clapping?
And everyone is clapping.
Everybody is clapping. Okay, guys.
Great, sir. Great.
That's very nice. That's very nice. So
Yeah,
I hope you
agree
understand.
for sure we are getting in line.
I hope you have understood my introduction.
Okay, I
run
request,
the academy.
excuse me, madam, I request all other speakers, please turn off your audio because this is a time of Meenal ma'am and she's going to tell us and she's sharing her knowledge. So please, I request all of our speakers, please turn off your audio now.
Okay, sir. See you.
Okay. Okay. Once you are happy, you understand my conversation, you have to make the reactions. This. Okay. So I feel that you are listening me. Are you okay? Yes. Yes. I see some hands. You can give me the reaction. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So guys, I would give a brief introduction about myself again. This is Meenal Shah, the director of Meenal's Institute of English and Soft Skills in Ahmedabad. I am the region of Gujarat, India, and I'm the certified soft skill trainer, and I work for Gujarat Board of Studies. I work for ICAI All India, that's Institute of Chartered Accountancy. So we train CA students, doctors, professionals, and we train them for soft skills and English. I have also worked with late APJ Abdul Kalam, the ex-president. I have also received the award of All India Times as one of the best quality imparting educational center. And my institute is one of the best quality imparting for soft skills and English. This is about me and my setup. About my education. Do you like my introduction, my hard work? Then clap it. Where is your hand? Where's your hand? Perfect. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Perfect. Well, about my education, I say, I have done my English as Cambridge. I have done my English from Cambridge Syndicate. Have you heard the name of Oxford and Cambridge? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I've done my English from Cambridge Syndicate. I have also done my public speaking from Dale Carnegie Internationals. Now, how many people have read any of a good book of Dale Carnegie International? Supposing if you have read How to Win Friends and Influence People, if you have read the book Win Situation, if you have read the book How to Be Millionaire Overnight, if you have read the book How You Create the Panache in the Silent Zone, if you have read his book, say this. If you have read any of his book of Dale Carnegie International's The Best Public Speaker of World-Renowned Training Program, if you have read Dale Carnegie International's, any of his books, say this. Okay, okay. I have done my public speaking, guys, and presentation skills from Dale Carnegie International's. Your homework is, when you turn off this class, go to Google, search Dale Carnegie, D-A-L-E. I'm writing here on chat. I'm writing so you can see. My chat is unable. I have no idea why it is. My chat is unable. Okay. Your homework is, the book is called Dale Carnegie, D-A-L-E. You can write it down right now, D-A-L-E, Dale hyphen C-A-R-N-E-I-G-E, D-A-L-E,
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Dale hyphen C-A-R-N-E-I-G-E. This man is #1 best speaker who trains students for TEDx, as your Prakash sir told. So I have done my public speaking from Dale Carnegie Internationals. I have also done my soft skills from international training. So I am basically a soft skill trainer and English teacher. So it's been wonderful to be with all of you here. How about today, if I teach you something small of a soft skill? Is it a good idea? If it's a good idea, please give me the thumbs up. Please give me the thumbs up.
Yes,
Thumbs
ma'am,
up.
it's a good idea.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's
Perfect.
good idea.
Somebody can, perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you. Okay, guys. When I ask the question, you can unmute your mic and you can answer me. Okay? Okay. Well, I'm going to talk something about today. You can write it down also if you have a pen and a pencil, if you have a notebook, something you can write to, please. I can wait for 2 minutes. If you don't have the notebook, you can take your notebook, pen, pencil, so that you can write. Yes, I can see here. He's there. Yes, Sujit. Yes, he's there. He's from Kolkata. How are you? Good. Very nice. Very nice. So I begin.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
All right. Guys, I'm a soft skill trainer. I want to introduce something about the soft skills. My first question to this entire audience who is listening me is a question: what do you mean by soft skill? What do you mean by soft skill? If anybody can speak anything about the soft skill, please do this so that they can unmute their mic and they can participate. If you know anything about the soft skill. Is there anybody? Yes. Yes, my dear. Yes. Yes, Uttam?
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean by soft skill?
First of all, good evening to everyone. As ma'am mentioned about soft skills, so soft skills is like conversation. We conversate with different type of peoples, but when we add some soft skills in that conversation, then it will become very effective. And ma'am want to know that what is soft skills. So I think the body language is some soft skills.
All right. Kumar, all right. Okay, guys. Somewhere Kumar has helped us to define the subject, but soft skill is, listen to me carefully. There is a difference between the soft skill and hard skill. Now, what is hard skill? The hard skill is supposing anybody wants to be here IT professional. So if you learn some Coral Drive, if you learn something related to IT, the technology what you are learning is called hard skill. Supposing you want to be a chef, if you learn culinary art, a cooking art, and how to cook. It is a hard skill. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Clear? Where is your thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's your
Clear.
hand? Clear.
Clear.
So something, hard skill is something that technology wise you are learning is called a hard skill. When you combine this hard skill with a soft skill means, supposing I'm a chef, but I don't know how to make marketing of my product. I don't know how to communicate. I don't know how to make it into the presentation. I don't know how to make a team management. I don't know how effectively and efficiently I have to work. So soft skill is all about people skill and public skill. Please write it down. Soft skill is all about people skill and professional skill. A people skill and professional skill. It is different than the hard skill. Hard skill is a technology, while a soft skill is a lot of subject which gives you to maintain and manage your team management, your communication, your efficiency increase, your ethics values, your personal integrity. They improve a lot of areas of your personality. They don't make you learn IT computer. They don't make you learn how to cook, but they make you learn how to sell your product.
Excuse me, ma'am.
How
Can-
to
can
sell
you-
your product.
Excuse
Is
me,
that
ma'am.
clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Clear.
Excuse
Clear.
me, Sheikh Akhtar wants to ask a question.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you please repeat the definition of the soft skill?
All right, thank you. The soft skill is all about a people and a professional skills. A people and a professional skills. For example, if I don't know this skill, I don't know how to connect with you so effectively. So soft skill is all about a people and a professional skills. Number one. Number two, if you want to succeed, you have to learn soft skills because it divides into two parts. You can write it down. Life skills plus employability skills. So if you learn soft skills, it helps you to increase your business because it is equivalent to employability skills. How do you find out employability? When you have something to make it as a presentation. Clear? Clear? Where's your hand? Where's your hand? Thumbs up. There is somebody I want that somebody has to help me. What do you mean by soft skill? Is there anybody who can help me to define this again?
Yes, ma'am, I
Anuj?
can.
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, soft skill means people skills, social skills, as well as communication skills and people traits, how they are treating, how their characters, those coming under the soft skills.
Perfect.
Madam, can I speak? Can I tell?
Yes.
About people and professional skills is called
Perfect.
soft skills.
Perfect. I'm repeating. So guys, the soft skill is all about the people and a professional skills. Number one. Number two, it helps you to increase your business if you know this. Number two. Number three, you communicate people so effectively because of your soft skill, not because of the hard skill. If you know how to cook, it does not make you connect people. To connect people, you require good communication. So soft skill has 100 subjects. How many? How many?
Hundreds also.
100.
Yeah.
100. One of the subject I'm going to teach today. Are you excited? Are you
Yes,
excited? Are you
Yes.
excited?
Yeah,
Yes.
Ma'am, absolutely. Absolutely.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do one thing. So we have already cleared the definition of soft skills. It's done. Number one. Number two. There are 100 subjects. Write it down. There are 100 subjects, 100 topics. We are going to learn in Prakash tutorial today. One of the hundreds. One of the
Excuse me, ma'am.
hundreds.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Great,
Sorry for
great.
interruption.
Sorry.
Yeah, ma'am, this is Rajkumar. Actually, I have one doubt. Soft skill means you have divided in two types. First is called soft
Life skills.
and another is called hard skills.
Yes.
Then,
No. Listen.
yeah,
Listen.
Yeah,
listen.
ma'am.
Listen. Soft skill and hard skill. There are two skills.
okay,
Soft
ma'am.
skill gives you how to make the business. It teaches you how to improve your business, how to make your business big, how to make it a teamwork. While hard skill is supposing you are a computer technologist.
Yeah.
You need to learn computer first. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
That
Absolutely.
if you learn computer, it is hard skill. But how to sell your computer product, it is soft skill. Clear?
Clear, madam.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. The soft skill has 100 subjects. Should I go ahead? Should I go ahead?
Go
The
ahead,
soft
madam.
skill, my dear friends, the soft skill has 100 subjects. How many? How many?
100.
100.
100. Out of my 100 subjects I am teaching you today, yes, my dear. Yes, dear. Great, great. Out of my 100 subjects, I am teaching you today one. Please write down the
One.
subject. Positive, what? Write down. The subject number, the topic today we are going to learn is positive body language. Positive body language. Please write down the subject, the positive body language.
Positive
Make a title first, soft skills.
body language.
Now the topic is number 1, positive body language. Should I go ahead? Should I go
Language.
ahead?
Yes, definitely.
Go ahead.
Okay,
guys,
ma'am. Okay.
I have a question. What do you mean by body language? I am only answering. Just listen me. I have a question to the audience. What do you mean by body language? What do you mean by body language? Now, the body language is there are two types of communication. There are two types of communication. One is verbal. Second is non-verbal. One is verbal. Second is non-verbal. What is verbal? We are talking face to face is a verbal communication. We are talking face to face. So you talk to person face to face. Either you see him or you talk to him on phone or you talk to him on Zoom platform. It is a verbal communication because you are speaking with your words. Clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see. Show me the reaction,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Show me the reaction, please. Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Very,
clear.
very nice. So guys, there are two types of communication. Great. There are two types of communication, the verbal, the non-verbal. The verbal means a person who talks. The verbal communication means a person who uses words. The person who uses words, who chooses word, he decides, I want to use this word, I want to use that word. So that's the verbal communication. Their body is not so much involved because I'm using words. I'm using this. So my body is not much important. People will listen. Go for next. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. Write it down. Go to the next is non-verbal communication. Here, guys. In non-verbal communication, what happens? Supposing you are sad. Supposing I'm sad. If you are sad, what do? There are many feelings in our lives. Sad, happy, unhappy, excited, positive, negative, optimistic, pessimistic. There are many feelings. Supposing I'm sad. If somebody comes to me and they say, hey, how are you? Though I'm sad, I'm trying to speak up the words, oh, that's great, I'm fine. What happened? Okay. So I'm sad. My feeling is sad. But what am I doing? I'm using the word, I am great. I am fine. I am thank you. I am great. So what am I doing? My feeling does not match with my spoken words. I'm sad, but I'm saying, oh, great. I'm fine. So what am I doing? My eyes, my eye contact, my gestures, my hand movement, my posture, everything I am doing wrong. Though I am unhappy, if I'm unhappy, I have to make my facial expression. Yes, I'm sad. I'm upset. But instead of that, I'm saying, oh, I'm great. Oh, thank you. So what am I doing? I am a fake person. What type of a person am I? Somebody talk from mic. What am I?
Fake person.
Fake
It will
person.
show
Fake
you are the
person.
fake person.
So people judge you if you are fake. People don't trust you if you are fake. Your body language does not match with your words. If I'm upset, and immediately if I'm upset, and if I say, oh, great, I'm happy, that's very nice. So I'm doing my wrong body language. Body language is very important. How can I miss this wrong? How can I say if I'm unhappy? How can I say, wow, wow? And who will trust me? So my non-verbal communication, my body language, which is wrong, which is giving a wrong signal to people, they don't match with my words. So my body language is negative. I'm a fake person. I'm not positive. People don't trust me as a soft skill training. People don't trust me as a soft skill knowledge. People don't trust me for the business because I'm doing wrong. So what I'm teaching through this is a communication divides into two parts: verbal, non-verbal. The verbal is you decide whatever the words you want to speak up. You decide your words. You have a chance to decide your words. People trust your words because you have chosen the path verbal communication. So verbal communication means you can speak. You decide your words. People listen your words. People trust your words. They don't see your body language. They listen your words. But if I do not choose verbal communication and if I go for non-verbal, my non-verbal communication is facial expressions. Write it down. My non-verbal communication or my body language divides into facial, gesture, posture. I'm repeating. My non-verbal communication divides into facial, gesture, posture, eye contact, and paralanguage. Paralanguage, P-A-R-A-L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E, paralanguage, paralanguage. What do you mean by paralanguage? Paralanguage means your space of a body, a space of a body. You are talking through your body. You are talking through your paralanguage. You are talking through your eye contact. You are talking through your hands. You are talking through your gestures and posture. If I'm sad, I say, yeah, something is wrong. I'm upset. Give me a space. My word, my expression matches my feelings. So I'm a genuine buyer and seller. Got it what I'm saying? If you want to sell anything, you want to purchase anything, you have to be genuine. You have to be genuine with your product. So please write it down. A positive body language means a genuine selling of your product. A positive body language means a genuine selling of your product. Do not go fake. Do not show wrong body language. Do not show negative body language. Don't be fake. Don't be fake. If you are fake, you don't sell your product effectively. If you go wrong with your body language, you do not sell your product genuinely. For this, I have a wonderful story for you. Can I tell a story? Can I tell a story? Can I
Yes,
tell you
ma'am.
a story?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure,
Thumbs
ma'am.
up, thumbs up,
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sure, sure.
thumbs up, thumbs up. Prakash, am I okay? Am I audible?
Okay, we
Prakash?
have 5 minutes
Yes.
left in this
Yes,
session.
ma'am.
So is it okay? Can you complete your whole story in 5 minutes, madam?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
that's good.
yes. Okay, guys. Otherwise, can we make it stories in a tomorrow? If these same guys are coming tomorrow, can I come tomorrow? No?
Sir, I want to say about body language, positive body language. Can I say?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Actually,
yes.
today madam session is there. Why you are interested?
Yeah, that's fine. Now learning session is going on. After completing the whole session, we will have a question answer in the second session. So you can ask or you can share your ideas, everything. Okay. So
Perfect.
now let Minal
Perfect.
ma'am
Oh.
speak now. Okay.
No, I think Prakash,
Okay,
I will
okay.
not
Thank you,
make.
thank you.
Okay, okay. Guys, the story, I will finish it off in 2 minutes. There's a story about Sabir Bhatia.
Yeah,
I
hello.
think we are not getting the voice.
Ma'am, you're not audible to us.
Wait.
I think madam net is
Something
slow.
happened.
Wait.
Okay,
Might be madam got
Wait.
disconnected.
Wait.
I
Disconnected.
can't get it.
Okay.
Wait, everyone.
I think
Just
I
give
think
some time.
madam got disconnected.
yeah.
Please wait.
Yeah, we are waiting. Santa ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Where
Ma'am,
are
what
you?
about I'm in Kolkata only. What about condition there?
Oh, very hot, sir. Too hot here. Rather
Yes,
hot.
yes.
Okay,
Some of
dear
my
friends,
colleagues
excuse
are
me,
there
excuse
only.
me, excuse me, excuse me. Please listen to me. In the beginning, just I showed you this book, The Alchemist. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
In my opinion, you must read this book. Okay. You
Okay.
must
Okay.
read this book because it's a book of your dream. This is a book to how to achieve your dream. Okay. This is the book of one shepherd boy, Santiago. He was a shepherd boy
Thank you.
and he had a dream to find out the treasure in Egypt. He started his journey. He started his journey to achieve his goal. Okay, and in the beginning, I told you, if you really want to achieve something, the whole universe will help you. But the one condition is that you have to start achieving your goal. Means you have to start your actions. Is it clear? So this is the core message of this book, and the writer of this book is Paulo Coelho. Actually, he's a Brazilian writer, and first of all, he wrote this book in Portuguese language. Then this book was translated in English. Then this book broke many records of selling books. Then see, this book became the best-selling book. Is it clear?
Please, the spelling the name, the writer name.
Paulo
Please spell it
Coelho.
out.
But if you write down The Alchemist, you will get this one. Okay, The Alchemist.
Okay, sir.
Name is Paulo Coelho.
Alchemist.
Paulo
Excuse me,
Coelho,
Prakash sir.
yes. The writer of this book is Paulo
Prakash sir.
Coelho.
Prakash sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Prakash sir. Sir, may I know, is there any soft copy available on internet?
One, now I want to tell you, just this is my guru. Second guru, he's A.J. Hogg, and write down The Alchemist narrated by A.J. Hogg. Then you will find this man has started explaining books. And if you really want to improve your English, then if you really want to know about great books, so just write down A.J. Hogg. He has already described this book, The Alchemist. It has 5 or 7 parts. Is it clear? So just I wanted to use our time, and now Minal Ma'am is again, but we have only 1 minute left in this session. So yeah, so let's listen to Minal Ma'am.
Yes, sure, sir.
Yes, madam. Now she is joining us. But only 1 minute or less than 1 minute left in this session. And we are going to connect with the same ID and password. Some friends are new, they don't know. We have 2 sessions every day. And with the same ID and password, you can connect with us again. Okay. So we will have only 2 minutes break. It's not a commercial break, but we are not using the pro version of Zoom. So we have time limitations in the meeting. So we have to disconnect now. So see you again after 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah, excuse me, Prakash sir. May I know, is there any soft copy available?
Yeah, available.
Yeah, audio book is available.
Available, everything. Just spend